Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will how to zoom in Windows 11. Chapter 1, How to zoom Windows 11 on applications. To start, open an application. Now, on your keyboard, press the Control keys and plus sign or minus sign to zoom in or out. Now, to leave the default values, use the Control keys plus 0. After this, press the Control key. Now, with the scroll of your mouse, increase or decrease the zoom. Then, open another application like Word. Here at the bottom, you can use the zoom bar. Now, in Word, go to the View menu. Here, click on Zoom. Then, it is possible to set the parameters as necessary. Chapter 2, How to zoom Windows 11 in full screen. For this method, open any app. Then press the Windows keys and the plus sign. The magnifying glass application will open. Here, it is possible to define the zoom to use. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now click on the Start menu, then click on Settings. Next, go to the Accessibility section. Here, click on the magnifier. After this, in the Zoom Increment section, adjust the desired percentage. Then in View, it is possible to define the mode to use. Chapter 3, How to zoom Windows 11 browsers. To start, open Edge. Now click on the menu, then adjust the desired zoom. Then click on Settings. In the search field, enter Zoom. Now click on Page Zoom. Here, it is possible to adjust the percentage to use. After this, open Chrome. Click on the menu. Select the zoom to use. Then open a new tab. Enter the text on the screen. Now, click on Page Zoom. Here, it is possible to adjust the percentage to use. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.